Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's homework assignment is going to be about the story Spring Cleaning. So please listen and answer the questions. We have level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1, let's begin. Number 1. In the story, how was the weather? Sunny or rainy? Number 2. How many floors does Timmy's house have? 1 or 2? And number 3. What did Timmy rearrange? The bed and the dresser, or the carpet and the rugs? All right, moving on to level 2. These questions, just like normal, are a bit harder, but use the story and you'll get it. So let's begin. Number 1. What was Timmy's sister's name? Number 2. What was their mother scrubbing? And number 3. What did they eat for dinner? And finally, level 3. Again, this is a bit more difficult and you have to think quite a bit. So, let's begin. Number 1. How often do you clean house? Number 2. Is Timmy good at cleaning? And number 3. Did Betty finish cleaning the first floor? Please write your answers and bring them to Kids Passport next time. Till then, see you.